This is Newport News TV.
Hello, I'm Mark Rollison, a graduate of the Newport News Citizens Police Academy. Newport News Police need your help to identify an unknown man involved in an incident of aggravated assault. It was Sunday evening, October 24th, 2010, at approximately 9:51 p.m. Police responded to the parking lot of McDonald's, located at 605 New Market Drive, in reference to an auto-pedestrian accident. When officers arrived, they located a 39-year-old Newport News man unconscious on the pavement. He was transported to an area hospital with life-threatening injuries. Officers also recovered a firearm from the unconscious man. Detectives have determined that a 19-year-old male was dropping off his 17-year-old brother at the McDonald's when the 39-year-old male approached the 17-year-old. A physical altercation between the two ensued, and the man pointed a handgun at the 17-year-old during the altercation. Seeing what was occurring, the 19-year-old got out of his vehicle to aid his brother when an unknown black male approached the 19-year-old, produced a handgun, and told him to get back into the vehicle. That male, described only as a black male, then fled the scene. After the 19-year-old got back into the vehicle, the 39-year-old man who ensued the incident was struck by the SUV driven by the 19-year-old. The identities of the 17, 19, and 39-year-old are known to police. However, we need your help to identify the unknown man with the gun who fled the scene. That 39-year-old man who was struck by the SUV remains in critical condition at an area hospital. Listen, if you know anything about this incident, especially the identity of the unknown man who fled the scene, please call Crime Line at 1-888-LOCK-YOU-UP. Your call is highly confidential and highly guarded. You never have to testify in court. You never have to say your name. There is no caller ID. And if your information leads to an arrest, you could earn a cash reward of up to $1,000. For the Newport News Crime Line, I'm Mark Rollison.